Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper video. In this video I will be tackling a vectors question. So let's head straight into this question. So this question says the points A and 1, 2, B, 5, 2, C, 6, 4, D, 2, 4 are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD expressed in the form XY. The position vectors OA, OB, OC, and OD, where O is the origin 0, 0. So they want us to write the position vectors for all of these here. So for the vector OA, it would simply be the point A, and we just express it in this form. So this would be 1, 2. And for the vector OB, this would simply be the point B, but in the vector form, which is 5, 2. And for the vector OC, it will be the point C, but in the vector form 6, 4. And for OD, it will be the point D, but in the vector form 2, 4. So let's go. The next part says I want to express in the form XY. So the next part says I want to express in the form XY the vector AB. So to get the vector AB, I'll have to use these ones that I'm given here. So in order to get the vector AB, I see I'm moving from the point A and I'm going to B. So I can say I can move from A to O and then plus O to B. So the whole point of getting the vector AB, I must complete a triangle. So it's as if we have all of these points here. This is the vector OA. So OA is here. So here is O and here is A. Let's say the vector OB. Let's say the vector OB is here. And let's say the vector OC now is somewhere here. And let's say the vector OD is somewhere here, OD. So they want me to, so let me erase, let's focus on the ones that we want, which would be OB. So let's say here is OA. OB would be somewhere like here. So I want to get the vector AB. So that means I want to move from the point A, which is here, and I want to go to B. So to do this, I cannot move along the same point. I must travel along a triangle. I must complete a triangle. Well, I'm utilizing the triangle law, so I must complete the triangle to move from A to B. So what do? I move from A, and I travel along here, and I go to O. And then I move from O, and I travel along here, and I go to B. That's how I got the vector AO plus OB. So let's use the vectors that we are given now. So I want to use AO. So OA is 1, 2. But I don't want OA. I want AO. I want the opposite of this. So what this will be instead of 1, 2, this will be negative 1, negative 2, plus the vector OB, which is the same thing here, which is 5, 2. So I add this together, this will be negative 1 plus 5 and negative 2 plus 2. Hence the vector AB, negative 1 plus 5 would be a positive 4, negative 2 plus 2 would be 0. And that would be the vector AB. So the next thing they want the vector DC. So for DC, to be a similar approach, I will move from D to O plus O to C. Once again, how this will look, let's say this is the point O, and I have C. C would be somewhere like here. And let's say D would be somewhere, OD would be somewhere like here. So I want to move from D to go to C. So I want to connect here. So I will move along from D. Let me write D a bit better. And here is O. So this is D. So in order to move from D to C, I have to complete the triangle again. So I can move from the point D and I can travel to O. That's how I got DO. And then I can move from O and I can go to C. That's how I got DC. So I put in the figures. So DO would be, so I know OD is 2, 4. So DO would be the negative of that, which would be negative 2, negative 4, plus OC, which is the same thing here, 6, 4. So this will be negative 2 plus 6 and negative 4 plus 4. This will be negative 2 plus 6 would be a positive 4. and negative 4 plus 4 would be 0. So the vector DC is equal to 4, 0. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. So in this video, I used the concept of position vectors to find given vectors. And it's very simple. As you can see, it's actually very simple. You just need to practice. And with practice, these will become very easy. So I'll see you in the next video, in which I'll be tackling some more questions, some more past people questions. So I'll see you there. Keep practicing. Take care.